Hello everyone. So here the next question number 39 of physics. Three objects: A, a solid sphere; B, a thin circular disc; and C, a circular ring. Each have the same mass m and radius r. They all spin with the same angular speed omega about their own symmetry axis. The amounts of work W required to bring them to rest would satisfy the relation. Option first, WC greater than WB greater than WA. Option second, WA greater than WB greater than WC. Option third, WA greater than WC greater than WB. Option fourth, WB greater than WA greater than WC. So here we will have to find the relation between these three objects, which where all the three objects have the same mass m and radius r, even they have the same angular speed omega. So basically work done is the change in the kinetic energy for any object to bring them to rest. Hence more will be the kinetic energy, more will the work done. This is the relation which is equal to work done is the change in kinetic energy. And what is the formula of kinetic energy? I by 2 omega square. As it is given in the question that all the three objects have the same angular speed omega. So the work done will now depends only on the moment of inertia, which is here. It is also mentioned that work done, a change in work done is directly proportional to the moment of inertia for the same omega. So hence more the moment of inertia, more the kinetic energy, and hence more will be the work done. So here it is the here it is given the moment of inertia of the three objects. The moment of inertia for a solid sphere is 2 by 5 mr square. Moment of inertia for a thin circular disc is 1 by 2 mr square, and moment of inertia for a circular ring is mr square. So after doing this and after converting it into ratio, it comes out to be 4:5:10. So here it is the relation that the work more will be the moment of inertia, more the kinetic energy, and hence more will be the work done. So the moment of inertia of object C is more, so the work done will be greater for the object C. So this is the relation which comes out to be WC greater than WB greater than WA. So the correct option is option number first, the WC greater than WB greater than WH. This question all depends on the moment of inertia. Okay.